Hey Awesome Doodle fans, we're back here with Maggie's litter and we just want to say hi again. This is week number 3 and everybody's doing awesome. You can hear them trying to eat with her. Everybody's starting to grow really nice. Everybody's eyes are open this week. Come on, let's go on. And we'll go around the room and say hi again. First I want to start with our puppies that are going to our Awesome Doodle partners. And here's one of them, blue male female. There you go, beautiful. She's doing great. Everybody's doing a little bit better than they were last week with me holding them. You know, when they're really young, sometimes they get a little bit scared. And they're starting to do a lot better. I like to be calm with them, you know. I don't want to scare them. Here's another one going to our Awesome Doodle partner. They're pretty much twins. Look at that. I love them. Beautiful blue merle girl. She's having a good time. Alright. We'll try to find Maddie. It's our female red tri. Here she is. A little dirt on her eye. Maddie is 2 pounds 12 ounces. How you doing, Maddie? Say hi. Ah, oh, beautiful. Is everything focusing okay? Alright. Maddie can't wait to see her family, Victoria and Clark. Next, we're going to talk to Annie. Annie. There. Right here. I scared her a little bit. Hey, Annie. Calm down. Calm down. She's doing really good. You can see she has the color of her mom. She has that dark gray merle. Kathy and Bob. Isn't she beautiful? Really coming out around. And Annie weighs 2 pounds 13 ounces. Right around that 3 pound mark at 3 weeks. Everybody has a full belly, which is really nice. Let's see where Blanca is. Come here. Where'd she go? Right here, she's eating. Blanca's our moo cow. I love calling her that, it's so funny. But look at that, she's looking really, really pretty. She's clean this week. Last week she had a little mess on her, so we washed her up. Get a look at that. She's 3 pounds 1 ounce. Heaviest so far on the list. Good girl, Maggie. Very good. Alright, Blanca, we'll see you later. Where's Bogey? There he is. Hey, Bogey. Much better, boy. Relaxing a lot better for the camera. Getting a lot calmer. Good boy, Bogey. Let's see, Bogey weighs 3 pounds right on the dot, 3.0 pounds. Really love his color coordination with the full white collar. Bogey's being awesome. And last but not least is Ollie, black tri. Come here, bud. Yeah. He's 3 pounds right on the dot as well, just like Bogey. 3.0. Ollie's always so calm with me. Great with the touch. Good boy. Very beautiful, very calm. Cynthia and their family is going to love him. Look at that. Maggie, you want to lay down and feed him? Let's get out of the way for the camera. Come on. Maggie's starting to be a little bit more independent. She's starting to come out of the puppy box a lot more. And the puppies have a little bit more time on their own. Come on, you want to lay down? Good girl. Oops. Let's get some feeding time here. There you go. Alright. Shh. Good girl, Maggie. Everybody's doing awesome though. This is week number 3. Can't wait for you guys to meet them. We'll get a few more seconds of feeding time and we'll be on our way. But everybody is doing great and having a good time. All right, we'll see you next week, Awesome Doodle fans. Thanks for stopping in.